Go. Now you're recording. So, give me that back. As you can see, it's a little tough keeping clothespins or doing, what are you doing? Or doing laundry with these little buggers around. Come on. What are you doing? Come here. What are you doing? Ooh. What are you doing? Look. You like those, don't you? What? What is it? What is it? Oh, give me it. Where does it go? Where does it go? Put it in here. Put it in here. Come on. Put it in. Come on. No, I didn't mean get another one out. I meant put it in. What? Ah, what do you do that for? What? What? Look, take this, put it in. They're going to take them out. See? He's getting another one. You can't get it out, he's going to pound on it. Oh, come on now. Well? What? What are you doing? Hey. What? Okay, okay. Oh my God, he's in the clothes. He's... Oh. What are you doing? You're a silly bird. You're the nice bird. Yes, you're the nice bird. You're the nice one. Hey, he's the bad one. Are you the nice one or the bad one? You're the bad one. What? 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 He's gonna peck my mole. I can feel it coming. Ah! Don't! What are you doing? What? What? He's pecking my bra. What are you doing? Silly. Silly. Anyway, those are the babies. Bye-bye.